Body butters and balms might sound super simple, but if you've ever tried a DIY project and had it turn into a greasy mess or grainy a week later, I feel ya. I've wasted so many ingredients on guessing, but once you know the science, making your own skincare isn't just safer, it's luxury for pennies. Today I'm giving you the crash course, the real difference between body butters and balms, how to fix that dreaded grainy texture, and the exact recipes I use. Let's dive in. Here's the biggest thing beginners get wrong. Body butters and balms are not interchangeable. They have different jobs. Body butters are your daily moisturizer. They are soft, whipped, and creamy and melt on your skin instantly. Use these all over arms, legs, anywhere that needs deep moisturizing power. Now, some body butter recipes will have a wax in them to give them stability, but the texture stays soft enough to go over your whole body. Balms, on the other hand, rely on a lot more wax. This creates a solid, firm product that doesn't just absorb into your skin. It also creates a protective layer on top. You can think about wax like structural support. A body butter might use a pinch to help keep its shape. Balms use wax as a main ingredient to lock in moisture on targeted spots, like elbows and heels. Now, let's save your ingredients. Here are 3 mistakes that ruin batches and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, the grainy nightmare. This happens when shea butter is in your recipe and it cools too slowly. The fix? An ice bath. Put your bowl inside a larger bowl filled with ice. As you whip your mixture, it forces it to cool fast and evenly. Mistake number 2, the grease pit. If you hate that sticky feeling, I have a 2-part solution for you. The first is to look at your carrier oils and swap them for lighter oils like almond oil or apricot kernel oil. Second, my secret weapon, cornstarch. By adding just a little bit before you whip it up, you'll cut through the grease and create a marvelous silky texture. Mistake number 3 is the more is better when you're using essential oils. Please stop doing this. Essential oils are very potent and concentrated. Stick to a safe dilution rate. Usually 1 to 3% is perfect. Safety first, guys. Once you have the base, you get to play. This is where you become an alchemist. You can customize your body butter with whatever mood you want. For a relaxing bedtime body butter, you can't go wrong with lavender. If you want to try something uplifting, try a citrus oil like orange or lemon. You are in total control of the body butter vibe. And if you want that store-bought airy texture, whip it and then whip it again. The more air you incorporate into your body butter, the lighter and silkier and more magical it'll feel. And you don't have to memorize all this. I put everything I wish I knew when I first started making body butters in a handy-dandy cheat sheet just for you. It has a shopping list and my favorite recipes so you can get your body butter right on the first try. It's linked right below and it's free! Making your own skincare is self-care. Grab the guide and I'll see you in the next video.